Are you ready to install Windows 11 on your PC? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file, get Rufus, and create a bootable USB drive. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11 Download. Click on the official link from Microsoft.com. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image (ISO) section. Choose your edition, click Download, select your preferred language, and confirm. The ISO file will begin downloading. This process might take a while depending on your internet speed. Next, we'll download Rufus, a tool for creating bootable USB drives. Visit rufus.ie in your browser. Scroll down to the download section and click on the link for the latest version. The download will finish quickly, as the file size is small. Now, insert a USB drive into your computer. Once your USB drive is ready, open Rufus by running the downloaded file. Under the Boot Selection section, click the Select button and locate the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Set the partition scheme to GPT and the target system to UEFI, which is standard for most modern PCs. Finally, click the Start button. Rufus will prompt you to confirm erasing the USB drive. Click OK to proceed. The creation process will take a few minutes. Once Rufus completes the process, you'll see the message Ready. Your USB drive is now bootable with Windows 11. You can use it to install or upgrade Windows 11 on any compatible PC. And that's it. You've successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using Rufus. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.